guys, welcome back. We are here with another episode today from TNO, the Neighborhood Organization, and Flemo City Media. And today we are bringing you step 2, or I guess part 2, in our ProTools series. Last week we did like a 30-minute mix, just to go over some basics. And this week we're going to do a 10-minute beat, similar to how we did in the Logic videos. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, so as we said, this week we are doing a 10-minute beat. So it's 44 here, so at 54 we are going to be finished. Okay, so first things first, we're going to create, I'm going to say 8 stereo instrument tracks. Okay, so we're going to grab a drum sound here. We're going to go to complete control. We've used this before in the series. This is a good free sampler from Complete Contact Native Instruments. It's taking its time, of course, so we're going to go to drums, analog, alright, let's say April Fool's is our sound today. Okay, we're going to record and enable the track. Okay, sounds pretty good. Title that drums. We are going to open up our transport window. Make sure we can see everything. And we are going to set our tempo to something a little slower, maybe 97. In grid mode, we're going to grab 8 bars. Make sure that's perfect. Not quite. Okay. Grid mode. Track, create click track. There we go. So we have those 2 little loops. Grab that. So Command E is to chop there, create an edit. And select just the delete key to get rid of it. And then we have this. Okay, so we've quantized it to the grid there with event operations, quantize. Okay. We're going to grab a bass sound here. And use Ample. Another free bass here. Do that bass line. So we're going to grab that, select it to the grid, grab it halfway, pull that over. I don't think we actually know that will work. Okay. Lovely. Okay, we're gonna move on. We're gonna call that bass. The next thing is gonna be some kind of little melody. Oh, I accidentally grabbed something. That's not gonna work. So I'm gonna grab Electric 88 from Waves. This takes a little while to set up, so in the meantime, let me make sure I have that loop. Chop off that last little bit. Call this keys. Okay, here we go. Load. Oh, creative sounds. It's maybe a little too creative. I'm just doing some subtle little adjustments here. I'm turning up the drive, I'm turning down some treble. I'm really just going for an eerie sound, and then I'm going to turn up the reverb just to match the bass. Let's just do something super simple like that. Just a nice little melody. Record enable, space. Event operations, I'm going to quantize that as well. Down a little bit. And I'm going to copy that plugin for some more chords here. Already there's a nice little hip hop beat going on. Title is chords. I think I've got, what, 1 minute? So in the space where the bass breaks there, I'm just going to plank that in. Okay. So it looks like things are a little bit out there, so I'm going to grab it. Go ahead and select that, pull it right to the beginning. This one looks okay. I may kind of zoom in and let them be a little more, have a little more glide to them. And actually that sounds way better, so I'm going to grab and do the same to this. So they both... And the same thing with the bass here. I'm going to select this. I'm just going to copy a bass note to the first note of the track. Duplicate that, say 4 times. 16 bars. And that is our little groove for today, I suppose. So you can see MIDI works a little bit differently in Pro Tools than it does in Logic. It's really effective. It's really quick and easy. You can end up with some good products, you know? Maybe I'll add some more distortion on that bass. Sans amp. This comes with Pro Tools. Great. Maybe a little filter on the drums. I mean, we've covered all these subjects before, so hopefully this makes some sense when we're talking about, you know, say enabling a low-pass filter and rolling off, say, everything above 3K. We got a little bump up the foot. Pulling the kick out a little bit around 50. Cleaning up our mess around 20, 30. Not bad at all. And we have fully gotten a good 10-minute beat out here. So all I'm going to do is select it. Bounce the disc. This will be the quickest way possible, but not the safest, because something could go wrong in the bounce here. You just got to make sure to check your files afterwards. For a quick beat, not bad. There we go. There's 40 seconds of hip hop for you. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. We're going to be back at you next week with another one. Let us know what you want to see in the comments down below, and we can bring it right to you. Thank you so much for watching. It's been Morgan Dunbar, TNO, the Neighborhood Organization, Flemo Media. We're out.